Welcome to our channel. If you want to delete Facebook comments in bulk to manage your online presence more efficiently, follow these step-by-step instructions to remove multiple comments at once. Step 1. Log into your Facebook account using a web browser on your computer for better access to bulk deletion tools. Step 2. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner and select Activity Log from the drop-down menu. Step 3. In the left sidebar, click on Comments to view all comments you have made on Facebook. Step 4. Use the filter options to narrow down comments by date range or post type if needed. Step 5. Check the box next to each comment you want to delete, or use browser extensions designed for bulk Facebook comment deletion if available. Step 6. Click the three-dot icon next to each selected comment and choose Delete. Step 7. Confirm the deletion for each comment when prompted to permanently remove them from Facebook. Step 8. Note that Facebook does not currently offer a built-in bulk delete feature, so you may need to use third-party tools or extensions for faster deletion. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.